Okay, so the real reason is about to start. We're about to head to a campground in Theodore Roosevelt National Park for 2 days. And after that, we go to a whole bunch more campgrounds.
8 more.
Waking up in the Flying J, somewhere in North Dakota.
Yeah. Past Grand Forks.
So far it's been beautiful, North Dakota.
Isn't that a trestle railroad track? Woo-hoo.
National Park.
Number 42 in Theodore Roosevelt National Park, and this is where we're staying. We have a picnic table for us. Nice big parking area. 1 vehicle per place, and we have a little campfire.
That's beautiful, man. That's our campsite.
What you making, Kevin?
Tatties, onions, meat, and tomatoes.
Okie dokie. Looks good. I was hoping you'd put taters in there too.
And teriyaki.
Okay, that's why I was trying to figure out what it was. Teriyaki, it's marinated in meat.
Well, it's not really meat.
It's vegetable protein, but that's okay as far as our kids know. It's meat.
That looks like meat.
Yep. It tastes like it. Teriyaki.
Looks like meat.
Alrighty. Thanks, Chef. Came out initially to find if there's any bison walking around. Instead, I found a beaver family. And there's Pam. Oh, I also took a bit out to go potty. She did well. I love you guys. This is so awesome. Beaver out. Way back there. Hanging out together. Oxbow, Bison, we've seen them again. Tilted. To your left and right are mounds of earth with diagonal stripes. How did these blocks of land get turned their sides? Slump block formation. Slump block for other slumps as you explore Badlands. And match the stripes in the cliffside and the slump block to see how high up the slump originated. That's pretty cool. I saw that and I was looking at all these caves when we were coming in and they were down low and even higher up. Pretty cool. Got walkways.
Okay. Just walked across the road. Look at that view. All the way down the valley. A camping spot somewhere down there. Absolutely beautiful. And we've seen buffalo, bison. This place is beautiful. Got a dove singing somewhere. Oh, I see you. What do you think, babe? It's beautiful, isn't it? It's close to it, yeah. Just beautiful views. Covers. Nice, huh? Duplicate's always good. Beautiful view, though.
It's stunning.
Yeah.
they deserve to get that car fucked the hell up. You are dumb. Stop, Kevin. Don't go any closer in case it charges. Those people are freaking idiots because they drove right up on it. Stop, I mean. I'm not saying it just to be ha-ha. I will be. Let him make his own way across the fucking road and let him get all the way across.
He's beautiful.
Oh, you finally realize he's way there. Now he's gonna park us out, right? Just let him get over the grass. If someone else goes by us to go around, that's up to them. Because you can just park him, go as far, if you're gonna go by him, go as far as you can over here, then slowly. That's the stuff that was snowing on Drummond Island in our previous videos. It looked like it was snowing in the summer. There was all that seed fluff coming. Right by the road. It's the same fellow we saw earlier.
Some wild turkey.
Bison on the ledge. Just like yesterday.
Beautiful, huh?
Yep.
Okay. One there, one there.
It's so funny how outside it grows one.
Hey, I got mine on. You wanna give him room. I don't care if that car's coming or not.